What's going on, everyone? This is V6 Lifestyle here. In this video, it's going to be the part 2 on my 2016 Mustang V6 mods list, but instead of focusing on the performance mods, I'm going to be talking about the cosmetic mods I've done to my Mustang. I'm going to start off with the exterior cosmetic mods and work my way through into the car. Starting with the hood of the Mustang, I've replaced the factory hood with the Cervini Stalker hood. This hood comes with twin heat extractor vents as well as one big opening in the center of the hood. When I originally purchased this hood, it came unpainted, but I decided to wrap it matte black and I think it came out great. If we take a look just below the hood, you have the front grille, which I also decided to upgrade. Believe it or not, I actually purchased this grille on OfferUp. This grille kind of reminds me of the RTR style grille, which I really like the look. However, it's not the RTR grille. The seller on OfferUp didn't really know what brand this grille was, so if anyone knows what type of brand this grille, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below, letting people know what type of grille this is. And taking a look at the side of the car, I decided to install the MMD V-Series side scoops. I really like the side scoops and the style it provides to the Mustang. These side vents are obviously not functional, but the styling they bring just looks amazing. I think future Mustangs should have an option to have these side scoops installed but actually function the way they're supposed to function, kind of like what they do on like the GT350 or the GT500. I was actually debating whether or not to have the MMD Ducktail Spoiler as a performance mod or a cosmetics mod, only because the point of a spoiler is to provide downforce and reduce drag to a vehicle. But in this case, I feel the MMD Ducktail Spoiler was made to give the Mustang a better appearance, and that it does. With the shadow black paint, it makes the rear just look way more aggressive than without it. If we take a look at the taillights, I really like the smoked out look the Raxiom profile LED taillights bring. These taillights still function the same as a standard Mustang taillights, but I think with the added benefit of a more low profile look. Especially if you pair these with the MMP Concept gloss black Decklid panel, it looks and feels like it's one big piece and it just flows together. I wanted to stay with the smoked out look, that's why I installed the Raxiom LED reverse light. When the car is running, the light functions as a brake light and as well as a reverse light, which I think just ties the whole car together. I also installed the MP Concepts rear diffuser fins. They were super simple to install and I think they just look great. I was not a big fan of the standard rims that came with the Mustang, so I decided to purchase and install the Focal F51 18-inch satin rims black. I really like the look the rims provide, and I wanted to stick with the black and gray color scheme, and these rims kind of do the trick. And last but not least, for the exterior, if you notice on every GT Mustang that comes out of the lot, it has the 5.0 badge on the side. So of course, I had to install the black 3.7 badge to let the world know that I have a V6 Mustang. If you take a look inside, I've also decided to change up the interior just a bit. And starting with the dash, I felt like the dash was a bit plain, so I decided to install a blue carbon fiber on the dash and at the door panels as well. Why blue, you might ask? Well, it's pretty simple. Blue is my favorite color, so there you go. In addition to that, I also installed these chrome AC vents trims, which I just love the way it looks. I think it gives the Mustang a more modern look, and especially if you compare them to the standard black plastic AC vents. So I think these just kind of do the trick. I also installed the MMD start button cover. Every time I flip it open just to start the car, I kind of feel like I'm about to get ready to launch a rocket. It's just a cool little feeling every time you open it and close it. I also installed a carbon fiber coring tray and paired that with the carbon fiber shifter trim. If we take a look at the shifter handle, I also installed the SR Performance automatic shifter. And last but not least, I have also installed the MMD paddle shifters extensions. And my goodness, these paddle shifters in the Mustangs are ridiculously small. I think everyone should have these paddle shifter extensions installed because it allows you to shift a bit more easier, and it does give that Mustang a better styling to it as well. So thank you guys for watching. This is the part 2, but this mainly focused more on the cosmetic mods. And if you guys haven't seen the part 1, that video kind of discusses all the performance mods I've done to my Mustang. So if you guys enjoy more content like this, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.